So we're getting a major deluge. Standing water on the streets. Just about anywhere you go, you're throwing up rooster tails. And of course you can hear how much that's hitting the roof of the car. Crappy timing for those kids. Probably flooded ignition. If you end up slamming through these puddles, you end up with a bunch of water coming in on the engine from under the hood. And even if you've taken other kinds of precautions, like putting dielectric grease on your spark plugs and distributors and coil packs and things like that, water can still get up in there and basically shut down your motor. You can see it. Everybody's hugging the center line up here because, of course, it's like 8 inches of water over on the right side. And the Be a Better Local driving tip for the day is if your defogger is not working real well on your car, that's because it's not winter time. It is humid and warm. So try turning on your air conditioner. Yeah, turn on your air conditioner and let that run in your defrost setting on your dash controls. Air conditioner to defog your windows. Some of you already know about this, and I can't believe you kept it a secret for this long.